Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen yeeps. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need quality ramen noodles, a rich broth base, and your preferred toppings like sliced pork or a soft-boiled egg. Don't forget aromatics such as garlic and ginger, plus essential seasonings like soy sauce and mirin. Having a large pot and a fine mesh strainer on hand will also be very helpful for a smooth cooking process. Now, let's focus on the heart of your ramen, the broth. Combine your broth base with aromatics like sliced ginger and crushed garlic in a pot. Bring it to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Taste and adjust the seasoning with a splash of soy sauce, a touch of mirin, and a small pinch of salt until it's perfectly balanced. While your broth simmers, prepare your noodles and toppings. Cook your ramen noodles in a separate pot of boiling water according to package directions, ensuring they are perfectly al dente. Drain them well. Next, prepare your toppings. Slice your cooked pork, have your soft-boiled eggs, and quickly blanch any vegetables like spinach or bok choy for just about 30 seconds to keep them vibrant and crisp. It's time for the grand finale, assembly. Carefully place your perfectly cooked noodles into a deep serving bowl. Then, artfully arrange your prepared toppings over the noodles. Ladle the hot, aromatic broth generously over everything, ensuring all ingredients are submerged. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped scallions and a drizzle of chili oil for an extra kick. Your delicious ramen yeeps are now ready to be savored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.